Today, I want to share with you the steady progress I've been making over the last few weeks with the Untold Engine. There are some big updates, including splitting the engine into a core and an editor application, launching a new website, and even adding early VisionOS support. So let's begin. So the biggest change recently is that the Untold Engine is now split into two major components, the core and the editor. The core handles engine runtime, such as rendering, physics, ECS, and all of the systems developers use to build games, whereas the editor now is its own application. And it's focused entirely on scene creation, entity manipulation, and asset management. This separation makes the project much cleaner, and it also sets the foundation for developers to use the engine headless or integrated into their own workflows. Along with that, I also launched a new website at untoldengine.com. It's the main hub for everything related to the engine. Links to documentations, tutorials, updates, and community resources. Over time, this site will also include showcases and example projects. Documentation is now live too. It's hosted separately from the main site, and it will grow into a full developer portal covering engine APIs, setup guides, and tutorials. I've set it up to support versioning docs, so future engine releases will always have a matching documentation. I think that you as a developer will appreciate that. Another major step forward was adding unit tests to both the core and the editor. This is a big deal for me and for long-term stability because it will let us verify functionality automatically, catch regressions early, and build a safety net for future contributions. And speaking of contributions, the Untold Engine got its first external contribution. That was a huge milestone for the project, and it's really rewarding to see someone else dive into the code base, and that's good. I also added GitHub workflows for continuous integrations. Every commit now builds, runs tests, and reports results automatically. And this brings the repo of the project closer to professional grade open source standards, and it will give contributors confidence that their code won't break anything when they submit a PR. And finally, another exciting news is that I was able to add early VisionOS support to the engine. Right now, the engine compiles and runs inside the VisionOS simulator. However, I have not been able to run it on the Vision Pro device yet. I need to get one. But I did get a GitHub issue mentioning that there are a few runtime problems on the device itself. So once I get the Vision Pro, I will fix those issues as soon as I can. So that's the biggest update, guys, to the game engine that has happened over the past 2 months. I'm excited because it seems that all of a sudden, the engine is becoming, more polished, and the fact that we have now contributors makes the whole project a lot easier to work with. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe.